If you're looking on how to make a cars reviews cash cow channel, which will be going in just a few seconds, I want to let you know that congratulations, you're on the right place. Watch to the end to see if this niche gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below if you'd be interested in making money with YouTube without revealing your face in any of the videos. So in order to make a cars reviews niche channel, I want to start out by showing you what a great one looks like so we can start drawing some inspiration from. Let's go switch over to viewer mode and now investigate on YouTube. Now we got to be thinking about what someone interested in car reviews will look up on YouTube. Now that I see that this pops up in the search, I want to click on the one that catches my eye the most. Although the second one is pretty cool as the Tesla is driving on water, I'm going to click on this one. So on this video, you can easily get some free card stock showing off the new Tesla truck or whatever car that you're going to be talking about for your video. And this video, it's going to be talking about the new feature that's going to be revealed in the Tesla Cybertruck. Now I just see some footage of what's going on with the truck, different things it can do. Elon Musk talking about it. And you can find this kind of footage just from other videos. Just make sure that it's copyright free. This ain't no Lightning McQueen, but they're going to be comparing it to other trucks as well. There's also most likely a voiceover narrating the video talking about the different features going on with the truck. And with the voiceover, you can easily do it for free on your phone by recording your voice. Now let's scroll down to see the type of views and how the engagement is going. This video has over 300,000 views with a okay amount of comments, so there is some engagement, and the channel itself has just under 500,000 subscribers. Let's go check out what the channel is all about. As I scroll down, there is some videos talking about Toyota's new trucks as we see right here. It's always talking about Elon Musk and the new innovations that he's coming out with. This tells me that the channel is interested in producing content around technology and how it is advancing within automobiles. I would love to hear from you guys as well. Comment down below. What is your favorite car or truck? Now let's go check out how the monetization is going. Let's see how many views this channel is getting and how much they're making in ad revenue alone. So if I go onto this website, I can easily look up the channel statistics. As I scroll down, I can see that this channel is getting over 25 million views in the past 30 days. There is a large audience interested in the type of content that this channel is producing. And just in the past month, these guys are already reaching the 6 figures, over 100,000. Throughout the year, these guys are making well over $1 million, and this is just an ad revenue alone. These videos are easy to make and you don't even have to show your face in any of the content. If you're enjoying the content so far, I would appreciate you guys showing some love with a thumbs up. Now let's go check out how easy these videos are to make. What do we see? What do we hear? Look at our video up here. Making a video is just like an assembly line at a car factory. How'd I do, guys, on my 10-second video? Feel free to let me know in the comment section down below. Now it's time to check out, does this niche get the green light stamp of approval or does it get the red light? I would say that the cars reviews niche does get the green light. With new car models coming out every year, you will never run out of ideas for your channel. The cars niche is also a sub-niche of the wealth niche. It also does have a higher CPM, so that means you get more money per 1,000 views. A bonus is that these videos are very easy to make. YouTube automation serves as a great backbone for this niche. Now the videos that we went over in this video and the videos that I made, please use them as inspiration and please be original with creating your own content. Try not to copy. This is also just one niche. Stay tuned for more niches as we're going to be exploring them in future videos. Now let's say this niche is for you. You now have two options. Option A, you can do it yourself, and you also run into the possibility of wasting your time as you're trying to figure out how to do YouTube correctly. And you have option B, the step-by-step guide that helps so many creators become successful with YouTube automation. If you guys are interested in that step-by-step guide, I highly recommend checking out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below. That's it for this video. Watch this video right here as we're going to be going over the next niche to see if it gets the green light stamp of approval or the red light. Subscribe to Tube Great if you want to grow your YouTube channel and make money with YouTube. And don't forget to check out my YouTube Freedom Blueprint link in the description below, as it is my #1 recommended way to make money with YouTube. Peace.